SpinDeco Technologies has developed SpinX cables, which will improve the efficiency of equipment connected to it. The effect of the SpinX cable was tested in a study with 8 fluorescent tube lights. First, the lights were on constantly for 4 days using regular cable. After connecting the specially coated SpinX cable to the lights, the energy consumption decreased 10% and the luminous intensity increased 12%. The light's efficiency increased 22% when using specially coated SpinX cable. SpinX technology will increase efficiency, decrease operating temperature, increase the lifespan of equipment, decrease the energy consumption of equipment connected.